When were you first labor secretary?
Yeah, 1990.
1998. That's why pag
1998.
tinignan mo yung Supreme Court cases, may mga cases na versus Leguesma, etc. and some are landmark cases. Ang point ko lang, because the secretary has been there, has been back, has practiced, I wonder kung may time and motion, whether it's the 80s, 90s o ngayon, yung bilis o bagal ng pagdesisyon ng kaso ng laborer na nag-complain. Kasi nga, we knew long time ago, wala pang social media, wala pang mga NGOs, ilan lang ang mga dyaryo, na luging-lugi kasi talaga yung laborer, di ba? Kasi yung mga kumpanya na malaki pera, they can really wait it out, they can last years, etc. Pero laborer, kung wala talang kikitain, that's why nga, through many social legislation and through decisions of the Supreme Court, may mga give sila sa laborers. But I have a show with my sister and Kuya Boy Abunda. So, marami pa rin na parang i-dismiss, sasabihin lang, eto problema, tapos walang due process, etc. So, I was wondering lang now, how fast or how slow? If they complain to DOLE, or if they complain sa arbiter, tapos from arbiter to NLRC, after that, from NLRC sa CA muna, bago Supreme Court. So, I won't ask for it now, but can someone from the DOLE take a look at it lang at the average na how long it takes, and then kung mabilis, then no problem. Kung medyo mabagal, de baka you can advise us. I mean, kung meron LaborCom instead of EDCOM, that will probably be one of our major topics. So anyway, I'd like to take a look at that and see what we can do.